Yeah, let's explore a few more. File open, guys. Here is a Springa. No, 915, right? Cloud MS. Cloud MS. Mini project using microservices. Yeah, here what is their session 2 more on this? We go for actuators, right? 10 more on actuators. Heap dump mappings we discuss. Then what is there? Caches. What is there, guys? Caches. It will give information about all cache manager configuration. Right now, we don't have any cache management in our application. If at all configured, that caches information will come or not there. Yeah, metrics is there to get certain details more clearly. Okay, let's open this one. Let's start our actuators related project, guys. Okay, com.nt, right click. What is there? Run as Java application. Run as Java application. That's good. This is my Eureka server. Next one, actuators. Right click, guys. Run as Java application. What is this? Run as Java. Billing MS. com.nt. Right click. Run as Java application. Okay. Come to this. Open the browser, guys. This one. HTTP 8761. Okay. This one here. Cart MS. What is there? Caches. Caches. Oh, not this. Actuator slash caches. Right now, no cache managers are not configured. Redis cache kind of cache manager is configured, otherwise not configured. If at all configured, that configured cache manager information would have come now, my dear. Okay, next we got what? Metrics. Otherwise, look at actuators. There is something called metrics. Metrics and required metric name. There are two versions. Or you will get all metrics and you will get required metric name. Okay, let's see how to deal with that. Actuator slash, what is there? Metric. Metrics, metrica. All metrics are coming or not there. That means all various details about the current project. But you want just a name, or you want its value also. If you want its value, any click not possible. Okay, here we can slash. What is there, guys? jvm.info. jvm.info. Complete information about jvm.info property is coming here or not there. Total information about jvm.info is coming over there or not there, guys. Come on, guys. Total information about jvm.info is coming over here or not there. I want reply, my dear. Come on, everyone. Got the clarity or not there, guys? jvm.info value, Oracle Corporation, Java TM, version. Like these things are there or not there, guys? Come on. Everyone getting my point here? jvm.info vendor, Oracle Corporation. This is the story. This is the basic story that we have to focus or not there. Gives info about properties list related to current project. 9901 actuator metrics specific information. Okay. What is the base path per actuator? Okay, this is port number. Leave it. Actuator is the base path or not there? Can we change the base path of the actuator? I don't want to use slash actuator to get all actuators. I want to use my own terminology to get all the actuators. Can we do this? Like changing context path of the web application. Management dot endpoints dot web dot base hyphen path. What is there? Web dot base hyphen path. Are you getting my point there or not there, guys? Come on. Yeah. Context path, we can also change context path to this. Here we can give my own base path or not there. Yeah. Go to application.properties, guys. Here is my what? Application.properties, guys. Endpoints. Management dot, tell me. Endpoint dot. Web dot base hyphen path slash NIT info. What info, guys? Slash NIT info. Slash NIT info. Management dot endpoint dot web hyphen base path. Here base path only taken as something else. So base hyphen path. Web dot base hyphen path. Okay. Yeah, we have done change in what? Billing MS, right? Yes. Okay. Go to Eureka server. This is my billing MS, guys. Actuator info is coming by default. Okay. I'm typing this one. Still working. How come, Ra? How come? How come? How come? What's the one I have given? NIT info. This is the wrong one. Endpoints dot. What is there? It is not just endpoint, guys. It's the endpoints. Say refresh. No static no static resource actuator. Because I changed this one to what? NIT info. Hey, NIT info is not fixed, guys. Anything you can give. Then it's giving me all actuators are not there. Like this, we can change the base path of the actuator, guys. Yeah. We cannot take slash as the base path for actuator because it is already assigned to what? Dispatcher. Slash you cannot take. Okay. And next one. One query is there. While working with the refresh actuator, if external config file and local configuration property file of MS project contains what? Same keys with different value. Can you tell me which value will be injected? Can you tell me which value will be injected? External config 1 or native config 1? External config 1 or native config 1? Definitely external config 1 will be injected or not there. Okay, guys. External config 1 or what? Native config 1. Everyone getting my point there, guys? Come on. Got it? GitLab. See, if you give both external config, native config, if we give external config, native config, tell me here, DB user system, DB user what? Ramesh. Okay, this is external, this is native. Okay, if you inject, what happens? System is coming. That means it is giving priority to what? We expect native, but it actually collecting from what? External. I have experimented. You also go and do experiment, boss. Only the thing is, in one project only, both should be there, external and native. Okay, na? Right. So that's just a FAQ case sake I have taken up. Number 11, guys. 11. Number 11. Okay. Now, Spring Boot admin server. What is next one? Today our next topic is what? Spring Boot admin server. Arey, I'm enjoying actuators, but I feel I'm doing a lot of manual work. I need a GUI environment. What is that? I seriously need a GUI environment to enjoy all these actuators. To enjoy all these actuators with respect to each project. Single place I want to get what? All the, this one. Everyone getting my point there or not there, guys? See, it's not like that I'm not enjoying actuator. I'm definitely enjoying actuator, no second thought in that, right? Okay. But, okay. But I want to see them in GUI environment. For that one, we have to go for what? Admin server. And you have to make all our microservices as admin clients. Make admin server and make all our this one as what? Admin client. So this admin server helps us to have a GUI environment to work with all what? Actuator services. So far we have used actuator in every MS project and they are able to operate actuator with respect to each MS project. If multiple microservices are applied with actuators to get them and to use them in single GUI environment, we need to take the support of what? Admin server and admin client. Admin server is like config server. One Spring Boot project having admin server starter. And all our microservices are indirectly becoming admin clients are not there. Okay, all microservices are connected to admin server as by becoming admin client. In that process, we can get all actuators related information. We can get what? All actuator related information in GUI environment are not there. Simply through GUI environment are not there, guys. Come on, everyone. To make the microservices as the clients to admin server, We must add the admin client starter to what? MS projects. Admin client starter to what? MS projects. Are you getting my point there? Okay. Instead of getting actuators info about each MS or each instance of what? MS separately, we can get the same information about all the microservices and instance of the MS from single place called Web UI through what? Spring Boot admin server. We can see all actuators from single place, guys. Nothing great. Web UI gets actuators info from each MS and each instance of MS separately. Only the thing is, Spring Boot admin server acts as what? Proxy, collecting that information and giving to Web UI. Collecting that information and giving what? That view. Are very simple. All actuators that are there in all microservices will be linked with what? Admin server, and admin server provides GUI environment. There you can happily see all actuators info related to what? All actuators information related knowledge in the form of GUI environment are not there. Instead of getting actuators info each MS or each instance of MS separately, we can get the same information about all the MSS and instance of MSS from single place called what? Web UI through what? Spring Boot admin server. What server, guys? Spring Boot admin server. Web UI gets actuators info from each MS or each instance of MS separately. Only the thing is, Spring Boot admin server acts as what? Proxy, collecting that information and giving to Web UI. Giving that information to whom, guys? Web UI. Convinced with me, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay. This is my example application. Create Eureka server. Create Spring Boot admin server. One side web, another side what? Admin server. Okay, already we have this one. Same project I would like to take as what? Admin server. Okay, now but for in the existing one, I have to add some starters and I have to do some changes, guys. So I'm keeping this one as it is only, but in the eighth only, I'm going for admin server concept. Number 8. File, tell me. Spring Boot starter project. Where is this? Project. Spring Boot Spring Starter project. What project, guys? Spring Starter project. Tell me. Boot MS 0. Yeah. Boot MS 09. Okay. I am telling what is there. Admin server. Boot MS Pros 09 admin server. Jar 21 this boot MS. Say next. Spring Boot actuator. What's that? Okay. Wait, I have to add what? Web. Here is my what? Web. Tell me. Lombok API. Lombok API is actually not required. I think these two starters are enough. Web admin server. Admin server not added. Here, okay. For GUINS, web is required. Okay. Admin server. Yeah, that's a brand name, guys. Say next. Save. Array, this much time. This much time to create the project. Admin server project has come. Okay, still taking time. Yeah, this much time. What's happening, guys? Yeah. Resources, guys. This is my what? Admin one. Okay, you can take any port number, but enable admin server is required. Any port number you can take. I'm taking 9091 as the port number. Run the application and observe basic UI is coming or not without having any microservice and other things, right? Okay. Mm, yeah. Application number. What is there? Admin server port. Server dot port 909. Server dot port 9091. On the main class, what should I add? @ enable admin server. @enable admin server. Eh, what's happening, guys? Why annotation is not recognized? Did we not add admin server starter? Might have added. Okay. Yeah, sometimes it won't recognize. Let's check whether admin server, basic admin server is coming or not coming. Let me check whether basic admin server web part is coming or not. Run as Java application. Yeah, tell me. HTTP localhost 9091. Hey, that is not fixed, guys. Any number you can take. Yeah, basic UI has come now, and it is saying that nothing is registered. So to register them, first of all, what should I do? I need to make microservice as admin clients. Right click, Spring guys, add starters guys. What is there? Add starters guys. Here is what? Admin client guys. Come on. Admin client. Yes. Say actuators are already there, na? Eighth project always there. Okay, fine. I'm selecting once again. I think actuators are already there. No problem. Save finish. Yeah, in provider application it's there, na boss. Yeah. Cart MS. Look at this. We have to connect, guys. Add admin client extra starter. Okay, make sure that these microservices are already added with what? Spring Boot actuators. Okay, next you have to add this point na boss. Spring boot item admin version 3.4.5. Okay, you can give the current version only, guys. This you should add in the properties file. This you must add in the properties file. This is my pom.xml. This is 3.5.4. Look at the properties. Yeah, it has come. It has come automatically. You need not to do it. Admin version 3.5.0. So whatever it is, if you want, you can take latest version also, fine. Let it be whatever the version it came, let us continue. But we are in which place? Admin server pom.xml. Sorry. Okay, we need this property in what? Client. I think we have already added to Kata billing. Billing. Pom.xml, guys. Yeah, properties. Here also came automatically. Good. Okay. Next, consumer. Right click. Spring. Add starters. Spring what, guys? Add starters. Add starter. Okay. Actuators I am adding. Tell me. Admin client. Say next. Select pom.xml. Save finish. Select pom.xml. Save finish. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Okay, that's good. Admin client is ready. But we have to make both microservices connecting to admin server. For that one, we need to add extra entry there. What is the extra entry? Spring.boot.admin.client.url. You have to write the port number of that one or not there. And already we have enabled all this stuff. Array, actuator related information is already enabled or not there, guys. Okay, that's good. So go to this place, application dot properties. Go to this place, application dot properties. Connect to admin server. What guys? Connect to admin server. Tell me how to connect to admin server, guys. Tell me, guys, how to connect to admin server. I want reply, my dear. Spring dot admin dot next one, client dot URL. Client dot URL. HTTP colon. What is there? Local host colon 9091. What is there? 9091. Spring dot boot dot admin dot client dot what URL. Okay, HTTP colon slash slash localhost 909. Everyone getting my point there or not there, guys? That's good, fantastic. So here are the various options that we are having or not there, guys. Okay, that's good, great. Spring dot admin dot client dot URL connected. And same thing I have to add in one more MS. Yeah, copy this. This is my billing MS, guys. In that one resources, guys. Here is my application dot properties, guys. Paste. Application dot properties, guys. Simply paste. Okay, this is really done, boss. So now we have to think about going to next level. Okay, that's good. I think now I want to access all these services through admin server web UI, guys, right? So what is the order of running the things? And in both places, everything is enabled automatically. You know, MS1 admin server. So when you use this one count, active applications count this. Admin server UI page, wallboard, choose MS instance. We are choosing one MS instance. So you can select the metrics and you can go for the information. You can select the metrics and you can go for what? Information. So we can get the information about actuators in GUI environment. Nothing great. Right. Okay. How many are in running mode so far? Nothing. Stop this. Let's stop this. Here is my admin server, pom.xml. Why there is a error, guys? Change to HTTP. Simply change to HTTP, right? Yeah, was. Yeah, first one, Eureka server. And I will make this one also what? 8 only, na? It's better to take this one also 8, guys. It's better to take that project name also 8, my dear. Or right click, properties, web project settings. I think I have developed as a standalone jar file bus. Okay, they're not required. Yeah, first let me start the Eureka server. Yeah, we are ready with Eureka server. Next one, we are ready with admin server. We are ready with admin server. Yes, we are ready with billing MS microservice. Billing MS microservice. We are running with cart MS microservice. We are running with what? Cart MS microservice. Okay, that's good. Let's get into admin server, guys. Yeah, all up, all up. Only one instance, two instances, na? Cart MS. Say refresh. Why MS? One instance. I supposed to get, oh, one exception has come here. Billing MS, that's okay. Yeah, both have come. Total how many instances are there? Two. Yeah, they have categorized. They have categorized. What happened? Billing MS not found. How come? It is showing. Hey, I think I have changed context for something. Okay, let me try in cart MS then. Hmm. Where is this? Okay. No, I supposed to get 1 minute. Applications to all up, that's good. No static resources. Actually, I should get GUI, boss. I actually should get a GUI set up here. Actually should get a GUI. Why it is behaving like this, guys? Wait a minute. Example application, admin server. Admin client as the extra starter, local host include dot star enabled show values 3.4.5. Yeah, there's no admin client also to connect to this activate all actuators. Fine, guys, 1 minute. Billing MS. Okay, let's remove that project. Billing MS, let's remove that project. Go to pom.xml, guys. Spring Boot 5.0, webbook, your client, DevTools actuator, admin client. This is run. This is done nicely. Resources, application dot properties, show values, client URL, star. Okay, for everything is enabled nicely, right? Okay, then why it is not responding? So admin client, Spring Boot admin version. It is automatically picking up the what version of this one to connect to that, guys. Okay, one. Clean the project once. Clean the project once. If necessary, restart the IDE once. Not IDE, not the system. Yeah. Maybe changes might have not taken after adding the new starter and other stuff. Close all editors, guys. Give some time. pom.xml, admin server, everything is right. Admin server, star, show values. Take copy of this admin client starter. Yeah, this version should match, and by default that is matching, right? Yeah. So where is this MS story, guys? MS. This is Eureka server, guys. Come on. com.nt, right click. This is Eureka server, guys. com.nt, right click. Run on. Where is this server? Run as a Java application. What's happening, guys? Why it is behaving like this? Today, laptop issue or application issue. 2 minutes work, that is. Nothing is there. It will show all the instances. When you select the instance, it will give you GUI related to that instance. Okay, 1 minute before running this, let's not change the path anywhere. Let's not change the path anywhere. Application.properties, guys. Yeah, where is this? Where is this? Where is this? Your path is not changed. NIT info, I think path is not touched here, right? Okay, that's good. Eureka server. Next what? Admin server. Right click, run on Java application. We are ready with what? Admin server also. This is billing MS. This is my cart MS. Run as a Java application. Done. That's good. Yeah, tell me. HTTP, what is there? Local host, admin server port number 909. All board. Yeah, billing MS has come. Only billing MS. We have started only billing MS. Yeah, cart MS. We are ready with both MS or not there. Click on billing MS. Yeah, it's now coming now. Maybe it is not allowing you to change the context path properly. Okay, here it has categorized actuators into some deals, metrics, environment, beans, configuration properties, conditions, schedule task, dependencies, loggers, JVM, mapping caches. Some category wise we have there taken, guys. Okay, let's go for environment. Environment. Okay, here everything is coming in GUI environment or not there. class path values, vendor, everything. Java launcher, user dot country. Everything is coming nicely there or not there, guys? Okay, that's good. Great. Okay, next one, that's the environment, guys. Okay, metrics. What is this? Metrics. We have a lot of things, guys. Check it out. If you want, you can add more disk dot free. If you know any property, you can add it, guys. So if you want, if you know any what property, you can add it. That's up to you. Okay, here what is this? What's the property you want to see? Disk total, disk. With respect to which application? Billing MS only. Add metric. What is there? Add metric. Disk pre. Yeah, we are getting some number there or not there? Come on, guys. We are getting some number there or not there, guys? Disk pre, I want to see value in the form of integer. Want to see value in the form of what? Integer. Okay, like this, we can get the information here one by one or not there. Array, metrics, guys, what is that? We can get all the metrics. When you click on metrics, you will get all the metrics about the project. You click on metrics, it will give all the overall information about the project. You want to get specific property? Yes, you can type and you can select the class and equivalent data will come, guys. You can type and you can select the data. You can, okay, we know regular one, user dot. Oh, only JVM related. JVM dot info only. From which vendor? Oracle Corporation. This version. Here JVM info is coming or not there? As extra information, JVM info is coming or not there? Okay, next one. JVM used memory threads live. I want to know, let's threads live. Okay. Threads live, 33 threads are in running mode or not there? Yeah, similarly, that's the environment matrix. Environment system property. Beans, all bean IDs are coming or not there? All bean IDs are coming or not there? Configuration properties. What properties? Configure where bulk injection is done, those properties, guys. Conditions. Array, what are the auto configuration classes are there? Scheduled task. What task, guys? Schedule. If at all any scheduling is enabled on certain business method, that business method would have come here. Dependencies. What are the dependencies you want to add? What are the jars you have added? That information is also there, right? Okay. Now last what? Loggers. Loggers. Array, logger levels for the application flow of, guys. Come on. Okay, application flow. You want to change something to debug. Suppose whenever web module is there, I want to say debug. Automatically its subpackage also goes to debug only, na? Automatically its subpackage also goes to debug. Understood, guys? Yeah, next one. Whatever we have seen at class. Okay, JVM, thread dump and heap dump. We will give heap dump, this will give thread dump. Okay, some sensitive data is there, it's a too large than expected, that's why it is not able to get. Mappings, all the mappings in what? This one will be executed. Caches. What is there? Caches. So right now, no cache managers are found. Like this, for every microservice, we can develop one what special service as what this one, and we can link with existing one. We can show along with the project the content are not there. Very interesting feature now, my dear. First time property file is helping us to get the GUINS, right, boss? So far we used to keep only text data, not the images, right? Okay. Yeah, this is about hmm, inside dependencies. What are the dependencies? Jars, dependency lookup management, all this stuff. Okay. Insights, loggers. Yeah, here so many classes related login levels are set. If you want, you can change online. If you want, you can change what online. No problem. That's not a big issue now. I think you got the idea about actuators. These are ready-made, non-functional features that are associated with what? Any project. Okay. Run the projects in the following order we are running. Make sure that admin client version and server version is matching. Okay. Applications. Add our choice properties to get the metrics and using metrics attention. Admin server UI, home page, wall page, choose MS and M instance and metrics, guys. Array, here metrics, guys. What information you want to get, you can decorate that information. Okay, now let's see. Let's see, guys. Your info is taken, its subpackage is also changed to Infosys. Okay. Okay. If you may change for main package, automatically subpackages will change or not there, guys. Yeah, you have to confirm by saying resetting. Simply controlling log level also admin server without restarting MS. Yes, we can change from one log level to another log level without disturbing the application, guys. Fine. JVM related things I talked about. Mappings, whatever you can recognize from RESTful app service, take it and do it. Caches, okay, right now I have not configured Redis cache, they are not coming. Did you notice this? In a single place, we are able to get actuators are not there. That's why we have server. Normal server, special server. Yeah, you can Spring Boot only, it will come or not there, guys. Okay, these are the categories of what? JVM level categories of various dependencies. I hope you got it. Yes. So with this, what we completed, guys, actuators discussion. Actuators discussion we completed, guys. So let's try one metrics once, guys. Let's try metrics. Metrics means what? Environment, schedule, task, JVM, this. Yeah, I'm coming to that. Third one, metrics, guys. Application.ready.time is a fixed one. Main class, provider application, disk.free value free. Count integer total time flat. Okay. So we are getting information about that this one, that URL are not there. That URL is add metric, then it has come. Then I'm expecting integer value as integer. Okay, value as what? Integer. Maybe at the bottom of the page we can see where is that? Disk free all application ready time. Yeah, it's giving information about health actuators. 37 max is this, mini is what this. JVM info is coming, thread live is coming. Every information we are able to gather are not there. By using what, guys? Admin server, but who is initiated all this stuff? Okay, they want GUI, they have admin clients have taken request, given request to admin server. Admin server started having that concept. Everyone getting my point there? Like this, we can get information about all the properties are not there. These many properties are there, you can explore, right? Tomcat.sessions.live, add metric, tell me. Session.element, max. Integer, guys. So this is what we need to focus, my dear. Come on, everyone. Ready.time, disk.free, request path count, JVM path window, thread alive, max alive. This kind of information. If you feel some secrecy is required, you can delete them at the end of utilization. Convinced, guys? Come on. Okay, this is about what? Working with GUI actuator. Same actuator, but we want to see in a GUI environment. Earlier we are typing URL, we are opening Postman, that mode, this mode, a number of hangama is there. But you can, by adding this DevTools starter, we can really start the process or not there, guys. Fine, guys. Okay. Okay, the next topic that we have got is a data binding. Array, sorry, sorry. Yeah, this is metrics, na? Okay. Like this, you can explore all the actuators over here one by one. That too in GUI environment. Especially most regularly used one is metrics, guys. Whatever property you want, you can add at the end. You can add the add and automatically its value will come or not there. So for example, I want to know CPU count. What count? CPU count. Add metrics. Tell me, integer. CPU count. 12 are there or not there, guys? How many are there? 12 are there. Understood, guys? Come on, everyone. Yes. So with this, we completed Spring Boot admin server. Let's summarize what we discussed. We are working with all microservice related actuators individually, separately. Now I want to see them in a single GUI environment. That I don't want to remember that lengthy syntaxes. They are very confusing, right? So then you have to develop actuators and you have to link actuators with what? Server. You have to link actuators with what? Okay, admin server. How to develop this admin server? Starter @enable admin server. Some port number you have to type. How to make other projects as client to admin server? There is no @admin client. There is no such @admin client. Okay, guys. Yeah, in the property file of every MS, you have to write URL where admin server is available. Where the admin server is available. So based on that, we can get it. So tell me, we're able to see all actuators in a single place or not there? That's the real beauty of this admin server concept or not there. Think about a project that is having 200 microservices, 300 microservices. Okay, further they are sending little amount of data, but more amount of data will come to hold process and streamline that. Definitely actuator support is required or not required. That too in GUI environment means it looks very user friendly for business party to involve in the business or not there. Fine, okay. So let me upload the notes. Let me upload the notes. Saturday, Sunday, MS class timings, guys. Array, 1-2 topics are there as common topics. Okay. So I'm still not planned, guys. Okay. Tomorrow also you have a regular class. Tomorrow also I will have a regular class. Okay, na? Right. 7 a.m. regular class is there, but you attend by using what? Common topics link only, no problem. Okay. Let me upload the notes. 7 or 9 regular. 9 a.m. Regular means regular timing also. I hope you understood simple point about admin server. Is it difficult or simple one? But don't change the base path. While working with admin server, don't change the base. Yeah, this is 9 a.m. guys. Yeah, tell me here. Where is this? Spring Boot Cloud. Spring Boot Cloud, guys. Tell me. Right click, file upload. What's the session number we have got? Spring here. What is there? 718. 718 core. Spring Boot Cloud. Tell me more on actuators. Not that 11, 11, 11, 11. Where is 11? Yeah, I'll upload in 515 also. Where is this? Yeah, 515 also I'll upload. System has become very slow. I have to restart it once. Yeah. Where is this? 515. 530, na? Yeah, where is this? Spring Boot Cloud? Right click, file upload. Yeah, tell me here, where is this? 10 and 11, only 10. 10 and 11. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, guys. We'll meet tomorrow and we will discuss circuit breaker concept. What concept? Circuit breaker, API gate.